Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what the terminal is running, because closing abruptly can lose work. First, run Jobs L to list background tasks and note any active processes. If a process is running in foreground, press Ctrl+C to interrupt it. That stops many commands safely. Once done, type exit and press enter, or simply press Ctrl+D to send end of file. These close the current shell. Make sure to save any files before moving on. This prevents data loss. After exiting shells, decide whether to close a tab, window, or the whole app. To close a tab, press CMD+W. To close the window, click the red button in the title bar. If you want to quit terminal completely, use CMD+Q. That ends all open sessions. Make sure to respond to any prompts asking to terminate running processes. Choose to wait or force quit intentionally. If multiple tabs remain, repeat the close steps until terminal is empty, then quit the app to finish. If terminal won't close, force termination carefully. Open Activity Monitor, search for terminal or the stuck process, select it, and click quit or force quit. This ends unresponsive tasks. Alternatively, from another shell, run pkill_user to kill user processes or kill PID for a specific process. Use sudo only if required. Once processes end, terminal closes normally. If the system is still unstable, restart macOS. That clears resource locks. Tip: check saved files before forcing a quit to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.